It is Sunday evening and our piano teacher has asked us to have an at-home recital. So it's the time of the year when the kids have a recital, but with all things going on in the world, we are not getting together and having a formal recital. We are actually having one in our little home just with us. And lucky for my kids, they have all of you to perform in front of, am I right? I want you to tell me anything more nerve-wracking than performing in front of people.
Talking.
Do you have anything?
Well, people
Memorizing lines.
Memorizing lines.
They have,
so
they have said
hard.
that people would prefer to die than speak in front of a large
Really?
group of people.
I kind of agree with that.
When I was growing up, I took from the same teacher as these kids, and so I know all about the performing and how nerve-wracking it can be. Let me just tell you, these kids are way better than I ever was. Didn't come natural to me, that's for sure. Let's go. But it's going to be, you all have to come sit down. Like, let's go sit down. It's going to be the way a recital really would be.
I will be playing Tarantella by Stephen Heller. I will be playing Maple Leaf Rag by Ragtime. I will be playing Rockin' Chair Blues by Martha Meyer.
You guys did fabulous. Hey, that was the easiest recital I've ever sat through, that's for sure. How was it? Was it a little scary or a little less scary?
It was a little different for me. I felt like mine was like way shorter than it usually is.
Yeah, how come you didn't have 2 pieces and you only had 1?
I don't know.
She just gave you 1?
This was a little harder, but
Yes, that's true. That was a much harder piece for Cody to learn.
Cut mine in half because I couldn't memorize the other page.
Well, because from what I understand after talking with Louise is his piece was a lot harder for his age, but she knew he could do it, and I think they wanted to do that song. So he learned the first part of it, but he didn't learn the second part of it. And in order to learn a harder piece, he only did 1 piece. From what I understand. Yeah? Is that about right? Yep. Okay.
It was a lot scarier to me because you have like a million more people watching.
That are going to watch
So that's why
it.
I messed up a lot on this second one because, yeah.
And it's not about being perfect. That's not the point of the recitals. It's just... Yeah, it's just about performing, showing your talent, and it's definitely not about being perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, you guys. You did so good. That was really fun. Thank you guys for being a part of the kids' recital. And if you thought they did a really great job, make sure to give them a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.